Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhomes Devon branch on a beautiful, what is it, June day? Slightly cloudy June day anyway. But we're out here doing a quick video on one of our freshly arrived bits of stock, and this one is a really nice late 2019 69 plate Elddis Autoquest Cv40. So the CV's been an absolute smash hit for Elddis since they came out in 2019. So they kept things simple, tried and tested layouts, decent spec, actually well screwed together as well, feels solid. And this one's an absolute beauty. It's one owner from new, and it's automatic, which is very desirable. So it's got every factory options box ticked, so there's nothing really you could add to it, or pretty much add to it. It is a fully loaded van. So it's got the factory optional alloy wheels, it's got the optional iron grey metallic instead of the white as well, which looks really smart. It's like it's grey, slightly blue colour sometimes, but it's grey metallic. 2019 on the 69 plates, it's late 2019 registered. So it's an Elddis Autoquest Cv40 rear lounge automatic, 3 berth or 2.5 berth, 4 seat belts, 3.5 tons, so drive it on your normal licence. Feature Caddo, it's got the bomb-proof Iveco Source 2.3 130 horsepower engine, a lighter the 6-speed automatic gearbox. Done a tickle over 8,000 miles in its 6 years of life, so it's a very low mileage van. 5.99 metres long, 2.05 wide, 2.6 and a bit tall. It's a very easy size to live with. So we've got LED daytime running lights. You've also got auto headlights on this one as well, which you don't see so much anymore, which is good. Manual fold, electrically adjustable heated short arm door mirrors, smart Elddis Highbridge Group alloys, nice wide electric step, LED awning light, and it's got the full length factory fitted Dometic awning option ticked as well. Double glazed tinted windows all the way around, still letting plenty of light but give you a bit of privacy. Coming around the back, we've got high level reversing camera, and it does come with a bike rack as well. Previous owner wasn't using it, so he took it off. So I'll have a look at the inside from the inside, but you've got your classic British end lounge layout. This is about 4'4", 4'6" lengthways, so you're going to be sleeping across the van, where it's about 6 foot to 6'2" crossways, nice and easy. Concertina blinds and flyer screens, which are the more expensive type ones, nice and adjustable, and opening double glazed windows all the way around, unlike an auto sleeper. Storage underneath the sofas, obviously a bit of wheel arches there as well. So high level reversing camera, I think we said that, didn't we? So yeah, bike rack comes with the van. We'll refit it for you. It's over there. If you don't want it refitted, we'll give it to you loose. You can keep it for when you resell it, and obviously we'll also provide it fully prepped, including a major engine service, a cam belt change, a new MOT, our own industry leading 12 months in-house warranty, habitation service, and we're National Caravan Council approved, workshop scheme approved. Up on the roof, you've got a factory fitted Teleco wing, digital TV aerial, and there's also a good sized rigid solar panel up there for keeping your leisure battery topped up when you're not on the mains. Gas is provided by an underslung LPG tank, so you've got 20 litres of that. That will last you a very long time, and it will cost you peanuts to fill up at an LPG pump at a petrol station. It's about £1 a litre, so it's a fraction of the price of Cala gas. And of course, with an adapter you can fill up in Europe as well. Freshwater fill-up point for your underslung fresh water tank, and you've got easily accessible drain pipes there for your fresh and wastewater tank underneath. Set toilet locker dump point there. You've got an external socket, so when you're on the mains, if you want to run anything outside, you can just plug it in there, and then you've got your mains hook up there. So cab spec wise, Ducatos of this generation, fantastically reliable vehicles. They're probably the most reliable all-round van and era of van that we sell. So you got leather gear stick and steering wheel, which was standard when you had the automatic gearbox option. So that's a 6-speed semi-auto, very reliable, good on fuel. It's actually a manual gearbox, so it has a clutch. It's just a little Italian robot called Giuseppe does the clutch for you. We've got Pioneer Elddis factory fitted Bluetooth DAB stereo system with a CD player as well, one of the last of the vans with a CD player. Cab climate control, never seen one before with cab climate control instead of manual air conditioning, so the cab spec's really high. So you've got cab climate control and the auto headlights as well. Central lock-in, heated wing mirrors, ASR traction plus traction control, and of course twin airbags, and 1, 2, 3 glove boxes, one of which is air conditioned. So what else do we do? So we've got full Remis concertina cab blinds on the front and side. All of these things were factory options, so it is a very high spec one, and it stacks up price wise as well. We've internet price checked it, and it's good value. And don't take my word for it, you can check yourself, of course. Fly screen door, again another factory option. I think most will have it though. Nice wide step, got grey carpets, real nice sort of light interior, modern, quite plain, not too chintzy, which is good. So we've got storage over the cab, which is really deep actually, so your bedding could go up there. Very, very easy control panel. So we just got gauges for your leisure battery, gauge for your fresh water, outside lights, inside lights, water pump, simple. Heating is provided by Whale, the Northern Irish company, and there's an underslung combination water heater and blown air heating system. That will run off mains electric if you're hooked up, gas if you're not. Then you've got your gas tank gauge there, so it's got mostly a full tank of gas as well. So we've got uplighters on all the cupboards, as well as these spotlights, two rear travelling passenger seats, and then the table there, which will drop with your driver's seat swivel to make a small double bed, and it comes with a mattress topper and an infill cushion to do that. There is a leaf that will come on the table there, so you can have 4 people sat around of an evening at the front if you wish to. Kitchen's decent, so we've got an oven with a combination 1 electric 2 gas hob and a combination oven grill. Nice sink. By the fact you can take your tap around outside if you wish to wash things off or whatever. Flip up extra worktop there, some storage drawers, and there's a socket here as well. So again, if you're hooked up to the mains, you're sat outside, you can run mains appliances while you're outside the van. 12-volt fridge freezer up there. That runs off your leisure battery, super reliable, very, very good. Wardrobe underneath. And then we've got the rear lounge that we saw from the outside, so there's bits of storage under here and 4 high-level storage cupboards. 4 opening windows, all with blinds and fly screens and an opening skylight. TV, if you're a televisionist, it does have a TV aerial, so if you want a bracket, we'll fit your bracket on there. Just tell us what size TV you've got, or bring it down so we can put it in the right place. 2 main sockets, a 12-volt socket and a TV point there, and then there is a freestanding table here that you can use in the end lounge or outside, of course. Really nice lighting, again same as the front, uplighters and then spotlighters, which are directional. 2 storage drawers down there, and final one, we've got a surprisingly spacious wet room bathroom there with a pull-out wall-mounted tap that pulls out for your shower. Nice freestanding basin, and shower can clip up there with a skylight for ventilation, and a storage cupboard up high. So it's just come in, this, we've not touched it. It's very, very, very clean. It'll sell very quickly. CV40s used always do, and auto CV40s, yeah, just rare. And this mileage, this spec, it's got a lot of things in its favour and pretty much nothing against it, I would say, this one. So if you are interested, give us a call on 01626 832 792. Don't call that mobile number because that's my personal one. They put the wrong number on the card. So call the landline 01626 832 792. Give us a buzz on the mobile, or a text or a WhatsApp to 07432 662 558, or call that landline number. There's another socket down there. Or come and see us. We're midway between Exeter and Plymouth on the A38 South Devon Expressway, very easy to get to. But don't hang around, because this won't hang around. It's the 2019 automatic Elddis Cv40 at Highbridge Motorhomes Devon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.